How to see your Facebook password if you forgot it. If you have forgotten your Facebook password and need to recover it, then today we are here with some steps to reset it. Now, if you are using the iPhone, then you can use your password manager. If you have saved your Facebook password in a password manager, then you can easily find your Facebook password there. Now, if you are using the latest version of iOS, then all you have to do is swipe and look for the Password Manager app on your home screen and simply tap on it. Then you'll be authenticated with the Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode to unlock the password list. Simply tap on the passkeys option available there at the top right corner of your screen. Then from the list, you'll have to search for the Facebook or look for the Facebook under the saved accounts. Once you're inside the list, tap on the Facebook and you should see this password by tapping show password. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.